Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Field and Economics. Economics is the value that integrates different aspects of human life. It should not be limited in action and theory only. It should be integrated with the field of pure transcendental creative intelligence, and by doing so it will get full support of all the natural forces. Economics should be established in unbounded awareness, and the result will be do less and accomplish more. This unbounded awareness integrates innermost values of life with the outermost range of activities and actions. This should be the basis of action of every economist. My dear friends, understand the value of transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities, the field of creative intelligence. Very powerful. By doing so, you can bring a structural change in economics. Please get in touch with us. Namaste.